Hi everybody, my name is John Todd with Elite Remodeling, and I wanted to just give you a quick update of some things that are going to be going on within the company over the next month or so. On May 12th, we have our next remodeled home tour, and if you see in picture number 1, this is the before picture. So it's a Frisco kitchen, big peninsula island, keeping it blocked in 2 load-bearing columns. So what our job was to do is to make this a more open, inviting, friendly kitchen for both entertaining as well as use by the homeowners. And what you can see is in picture number 2, we're taking the load-bearing columns out, moving some walls around. Picture number 3, you can see we're in actually tearing up the floor, moving some plumbing around, putting a Studer vent in the island for the plumbing. And picture number 3 or 4, you can see that now the cabinets are being delivered. We're getting things ready to go. And in the final picture number 5, that's an after picture. So you can see a dramatic turn of events for this particular kitchen. Again, it's on May 12th. Please go to our website, elitehomeremodeling.com, to register. And we'll see you on the 12th at 10 a.m. here in our showroom. Thanks again. Have a great day.